days I can't see your eyes, I don't even want to open mine. On the days I can't see your smile, well, I'd rather sin with the world. For the days I know you'll be near, 'cause a day without you, it just isn't fair. Sing the days I can hear your voice, I'm left without a choice. I'm about to get weak in the knees, fall head over heels, baby, and every other cheesy cliche. Yes, I'm sucked off my feet, my heart skips a beat, but it's really only one thing to say. Yeah, you're beautiful to me, you're everything. Yeah, that's beautiful. Here's to me. I can't find the words to explain just how much got me going insane. When you speak to me, sometimes we fight. Oh, I stutter my words, I say never mind. 'Cause even when you just walk by, well, I look around to seem occupied, 'cause I'm trying so hard to hide, yeah, all of these feelings inside. 'Cause I get weak in the knees, fall head over heels, baby, and every other cheesy cliche. Oh, I'm sucked off my feet, my heart skips a beat, but there's really only one thing to say. Yes, you're beautiful to me. Oh, you're everything. Yeah, that's beautiful. Yes, to me. Yes, to me.